This is question from J 2026. Let this symbol denote greatest integer function if the domain of the function fx cos inverse 4x plus twice of greatest integer function of x divided by 3 is alpha beta closed interval, then 12 into alpha plus beta is equal to options. You have to select one. Your function is fx cos inverse this. Now you know cos inverse y to be well defined, y must lie between -1 and +1. Okay, cos inverse y will be well defined if and only if y lies between -1 and +1. Therefore here in place of y it is 4x plus 2 into greatest function of x divided by 3. So this whole must lie between -1 and 1. When you will multiply throughout by 3, you will get -3 less equal to 4x plus 2 into greatest function of x less than 3. One by one we will see when greatest value is taking as 0 value. In that case x will lie in this interval. Okay. So we will just write here as 0. So -3 less equal to 4x plus 2 into 0 less equal to 3. So -3 less equal to 4x less equal to 3. Divide by 4 throughout, so -3 upon 4 less equal to x less equal to 3 by 4. When we will combine with this interval where it says that x is lying between 0 and 1, so what will be the lower limit? Lower limit is 0 and upper limit will be 3 upon 4 with this. Okay, so this is the common elements between these intervals. This is equation 1. Let us check for other greatest integer value. When greatest integer value is -1, in that case x will lie between -1 and 0, where -1 is included. Okay, in that case the whole expression here 2 into -1 will be there. Okay, so this will give you here 4x minus 2. So to nullify it we just add 2 throughout the expression. So -3 plus 2 less equal to 4x, that will become 0. 4x less equal to 3 plus 2. So next time -1 less equal to 4x less equal to 1. After that divide by 4, -1 upon 4 less equal to x less equal to 5 upon 4. So when you combine with this interval, this what you will say here, your x is lying between -1 and 0. Here it is saying x is lying between -1 by 4 and 5 by 4. So clearly x will lie between -1 by 4 and 0. Okay, after that it is not possible, common value is not available. So this will be equation 2. Let us check two more values when greatest integer takes on 1. So x will lie between 1 and 2. In that case what happens, this will give you 4x plus 2. So this time we will subtract -2. So -3 minus 2, this will give you 4x, 3 minus 2. -5 less equal to 4x less equal to 1. So x will be -5 by 4 less equal to x less equal to 1 by 4. Now when we combine these intervals, here it is positive values 1 and 2. Here you are getting -5 by 4 less equal to x less equal to 1 by 4. Means here the value starts from greater than 1. Here it is saying less than 1 by 4. So no common elements is possible. Okay. Similarly one more, when greatest integer takes -2 value, what happens? So x will lie between -2 and -1. In that case this will give you 2 into -2, that is -4. So we will add throughout +4. So you will get here 1 less equal to 4x less equal to 7. So x will be 1 upon 4 less equal to x less equal to 7 by 4. When we will combine these two, here all the negative values are there, here we are having positive, so no common elements. So in this way we can see that question 1 and 2 we are having the common values as -1 by 4 to 3 by 4. So that will be our required domain. So domain is the closed interval of -1 by 4 and 3 by 4, which is equivalent to alpha beta. If you say, then alpha will become -1 by 4, beta will become 3 by 4. So 12 into alpha plus beta will 12 into -1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So this will give you 6. Thank you.